I'm Kristen Melendez. I'm a suburban gardener growing a food forest in my backyard. I want to be on Garden Gladiators to show people just how much food you can grow in your own backyard. Here in Zone 10 of Southern California, we garden and raise fish organically, and I love to grow everything, everywhere I can. We're growing here, and we're gonna grow here. And I grew here. And under here. This shade's nice. And here. Apple. And we're definitely gonna be growing here, 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 here. And I even grow in buckets. There's no ducks in this duckweed. And obsessive gardeners don't just grow outside. We grow inside too. Fish poop from here grows the plants here. I can put away my husband's underwear and garden at the same time. My husband and I live in a regular neighborhood with an HOA, but we use our front and backyard to grow lots of herbs, veggies, fruits, and more. My helper Woobs and I hope we get to see you on Garden Gladiators.